Hey folks, it's Paulie B coming at you once again. Northern Jersey, right outside, you know where? The Big Apple, New York City. And just give me a minute. I'm cleaning my cheaters. And we got income proof for you because I just came from the mailbox. And folks, if you want to make your mailbox, your cash box, your secret ATM, keep following me. Folks, I'm not going to open all of it because I still have shiny object syndrome. What is that? It's hard these days. Come on, can we talk? It's hard these days staying focused. This is going to be on the Club Cash Fund. And you know John Stalvey, he revised that whole platform. And it is doing good. Let me see what this is. And I'm trying to figure it out. Who sent me these stamps? Who are you that sent me these stamps? Because it's always nice to get stamps, especially around the holidays, and I like these pretty stamps. Someone sent me 200 of these stamps. I'm thinking, was it you, John? John Stalvey, I think you did send me those stamps. Anyway, Club Cash Fund. Folks, don't look at, when you first join a program, don't look at the small amounts that you start getting in, because those can double, quadruple, triple, quadruple, and you're going to see that that stuff really works. So let me see here. Okay, this is what they do. They send cash. Oh, as a disclaimer, not everyone's going to make money doing what we do, because you have to take action. People telling me, you got to start putting the disclaimers. Well, it works if you work it, folks. But not everyone is going to make the income. And we have to say that for the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. But it's $20. Folks, $20 is $20. And when these start rolling in, because with Club Cash Fund, John Stalvey has the system set up where you could probably, those of you who've been on a platform could probably explain it better than I, but these $20 bills are like incentives. He has you on a rotator, especially for, let's take a look at that. Let's go to Club Cash Fund. Oh, and by the way, if you do join the platform, folks, if you join the platform, how did that happen? Oh boy.